Hey y'all, I'm Sam Fredericksmeyer. I'm our Broomfield Center manager. This is our Broomfield Center. I'd love to take you on a tour. This is our parent lounge. This is a space that parents can hang out while their kids are running their session. We have seats and water and Wi-Fi and a bathroom. We also try and have a bunch of helpful resources like blogs, research articles, and any best practices that will help you best support your student at home. This is our gym. This is a big part of what we do. We love getting active and moving. It does a ton for our students' brains. It helps them focus, it helps their memory, and it also lowers stress. In other words, it just makes their school life and academic life easier. Whether that's football or soccer, maybe it's ping pong or bubble hockey, we love starting our sessions out here. We also really care about building a sense of community with our students. We want them to have positive relationships with their mentors and with other students. One way we try and cultivate that is having this chalkboard wall that students can sign when they join the program. It helps them to show off their creative abilities, but also other students may know their name from it. Obviously, we want this to be a really safe space, but sometimes we get a little bit rowdy and we get little holes in the drywall. We promise we'll stay safe. This is the quieter side of our center. This is where we do what we call mentoring. Part of the program is that you get paired with a mentor and you work one-on-one with that person. That's your person. That's the person you're meeting with every week, working on these things called executive functioning skills. Each of our mentors get to design their own classroom. So we've got awesome classrooms like this one. Our mentor loves to fish and play disc golf as well as draw a lot. This is our homework center. This is a space students can get help in a supported setting. It's also a space where we can practice a lot of the skills that our students are working on with their mentors. We help them get a plan for their day. We help them work in an accountable setting and stay focused. And then we also help them take breaks when they're losing their focus. This is our small gym. This is kind of a flex space for us. Sometimes when we're getting stir crazy in the classroom and we want to just move around and study, we'll come out here and throw the tennis ball and study our vocab or anything else that we're working on. Maybe we'll dictate an essay, whatever our students need support on. But I really appreciate you coming in. Thanks for taking the time. Have a great day.